So this is with regard to some comments made on some YouTube videos, and this is the comments made with regard to the first of 3 videos, and the name of the videos is right there. I'll attach a link to those videos below. And it says, I'm watching this video to see you're connecting many of the Elenin dots. And then it shows a forum thread, a link to a forum thread. This topic shows you that the 8.8 Chile quake and the 9 Japan quake took place on Elenin alignments that shifted Earth's axis and shifted aquifers. There is no comet. End of the first video. So there's no comet. The planets and their moons that are in orbit around the dwarf star occasionally take a path outside the proton cloud to become visible for short periods, to then dip back inside the cloud to become cloaked by the massive gravity well that creates the gravitational lensing effect. And then there's a link to Wikipedia with regard to this gravitational lens. Now, continuing with these comments, I am now watching your second video with the March 11th, 2011 alignment. You want to include that the aquifers shifted Texas and Florida story links, and Earth's axis shifted 4 inches. The February 27, 2010 8.8 Chile quake includes the aquifer shifts and a 3-inch shift in Earth axis, also on the Elenin alignment. The aquifer shifts tell you that something much larger than an earthquake caused these events. The next important fact, if you turn the entire solar system sideways, you will see that Elenin is not orbiting on the ecliptic plane, but may approach from the southern hemisphere. The fact that Elenin could cause the Christchurch and Chile quakes from so far below the ecliptic plane tells you this object is massive, because we are not even looking at straight alignments. The Sun and this inbound dwarf star are connected by a massive gravity trench that connects the 2 massive gravity wells that Earth has orbited through on March 11, 2011 and February 27, 2010. And there's a link there. And it's referring to the video. This video and the topic, so there's the topic, help demonstrate the Earth changes that are increasing in frequency and intensity. Earth's magma is heating up with all of the planets in our solar system, which is causing increased seismic activity with all the world's volcanoes waking up and activity increasing even along the mid-Atlantic rim. I also think you missed the November 22nd, 2011 alignment that mirrors the March 11, 2011 alignment. But Elenin is only 0.58 AU, or astronomical units, from Earth, instead of the 2+ AUs like where it was with the Japan quake. The next missing component in your presentation is the geological pole shift, expected to begin on September 26, 27, 2011 with the next alignment or conjunction. The magnetic poles are not shifting. They are migrating by the approach of this dwarf star that has been trying to wrestle polarity control since 2004. The pole shift was impossible at 2 AU at the March 11, 2011 alignment because the dwarf star is still too far away. However, the September 26, 2011 alignment will find the dwarf star directly between the Sun and the Earth, which gives the dwarf star the opportunity to take polarity control from the Sun at only 0.396 AU. Now imagine the dwarf star is a giant magnet and the Earth is a smaller magnet, which means Earth will tilt backwards away from the dwarf star, taking polarity control from the Sun. That means the northern hemisphere will be repelled to experience a long period of darkness, which will draw the southern hemisphere nearer to the Sun and dark Sun. This means the northern hemisphere is spared the worst of the solar storms, while the southern hemisphere suffers the most by having one long day that lasts for weeks of solar storms and radiation. And there's a link to a YouTube video there. And there's another forum link. You already have this video from my YouTube channel, and this event timeline was drafted using the NASA orbit data with diagrams that can help people to understand what is happening throughout the year. What Google, NASA are hiding is another message board there. This topic shows you what Google and NASA are hiding. Somehow Google knew to block out the same space containing Elenin some 3 years before the supposed Russian discovery. You can go there to look for your safe zone. This topic shows people how to recognize dwarf star safe zones. This is our meetup video that helps people locate other survivalists in their area. Our group has a large cavern some 40 miles deep near the North Carolina-Tennessee border. Use any of these links that you feel will help others wake up and prepare for their survival. Terrell. And I'd like to thank Terrell very much. Terrell has given me permission to repost any of his emails to me. Take what he says very, very seriously, people. You've already seen these events happening. It's not just Terrell, but other people as well are bringing the truth forward. And there's a reason. They want to save lives and they want to save humanity. This is Traders Beware, and am from Canada 1. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please send it around and share it with everybody you know. It's very important information. Thank you for watching.